I got $100 worth of donuts from Vegas here. First donut we're gonna start with is the Fruity Pebble Cream Pie Pie. I love Fruity Pebbles. It tastes just like cereal milk. Donut is so fluffy. 9.3 out of 10. Really excited for this shiny one. The creme brulee one. I think with this one, I got my money's worth. Look at the creme brulee top. Oh! Not really a cherry dessert type of guy, but it's not that bad. You get like a little burnt taste of it. I'm not too much of a cherry guy. Such a nice tangy contrastion. It's gonna get a 9.8 out of 10. Got the green M&M donut. Favorite M&M. Mine was the green one. It was so chocolatey. Crunch from the M&Ms was so satisfying. That one a 9.5 out of 10. Now we got the famous Dubai filled donut. This one donut, 20 bucks for this one donut. I hope with the filling inside I got my money's worth though. I think I did get my money's worth with this one. Anything Dubai can take my money. I don't know if $20 was justified for that. A whole lot of filling. Like really a whole lot of filling. Love pistachio filling. It's so nutty. It's sweet. 9.8. Like donut. This one is the Fruity Pebble Captain Toast Crunch Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Wow. Top of a cinnamon sugar cake donut too. Never had this cereal before. The cinnamon toast crunch. Might actually give that one a 9.9 out of 10. Cake donut was so cakey again. And that cereal crunch. The cereal wasn't stale at all. It was like crunchy. We're gonna go for the Oreo dirt cake. This is a real dirt cake with little worms on top. I swear there was another worm though. I don't know where worm went. Taking some points off because of that. Donut was so fluffy. It was so moist. It was so pillowy. Crispy, crispy glaze. 9.8 out of 10. I got the Nutella cannoli filled. Holy, I love Nutella. Yo, it's double stuffed with cannoli filling and Nutella filling. Cannoli one.